Hi everyone, so for today's video I'm going to show you on what you can do with a hacked, jailbroken PS Vita and PS4. So what I have here is a PS Vita's slim, light blue and white version. Okay, let's start. There's a lot of good stuff in here. Here's my hand core, the one I used for jailbreak. Here's my PS Vita games. But let's start with the application PKGj. So this application will allow you to download multiple console games, and without using the computer, you can just download it here on your handheld console. Here's the sample: PS1, PSP games, DLC, and Vita. You can download it here. Next is VitaShell. It is an all-in-one file manager for hacked PS Vita or in PS TV consoles. This is how you can access the mass storage using your computer by clicking select. Yeah. Then, as you can see, here is my external storage or my SD card. Yeah, that's it. Next application is this powerful Adrenaline. This software modifies the official PSP emulator using Taihen custom firmware. It really feels PSP. Yeah, it feels PSP. Here's my PSP games. I also downloaded it using the PKGj I shown you earlier. And if you want to add some plugins, you can do it here on the recovery boot. Next is mGBA. This is the emulator for Game Boy Advance. So I'm going to show you Pokemon Emerald. And there you go. The quality is really like Game Boy Advance, better than any emulators on PC. And yeah, Professor Oak. Yeah, that's it. You can play Game Boy games here on Vita. Next is this RetroArch. You can also play or emulate PSP games, SNES, NES, and GBA here. It's really a powerful application. It's a must on every jailbroken PS Vita. So I'll try this one, Contra. I'll do the cheat. I'll try. Wait. Here. Up, down, left, right. Select start. Yeah, 30 lives. And that's mostly it. I'm gonna show it to you again. And now let's try connecting it to my jailbroken PS4 using PS4 remote play. Okay, it's here on the top. PS4 link to enable remote play. I also enabled the remote play on the PS4 earlier, so I'll be automatically sign in. Let's wait. So yeah, I'm running the Red Dead Redemption 2, and that's the graphics. Yeah, my PS4 games. There's a lot. This is also jailbroken. Yeah, as I have a separate video on where to download PS4 games on a jailbroken PS4. You can go check them out on my channel. And here I'm using the PH War P War by Lethal. I'm using his exploit, and that's it. If you have any questions on the video, just leave a comment below, and thank you.